So guys, today we're gonna be playing some PES 2021 and we're just gonna be playing to see whether we can finish all the 3 matches in one match. And this is my second account. I have this account with Palace Space, so you can see. And now I'm just gonna be playing. So let's see. I'll create my team. So my team is going to be without Hazard. I'm gonna put one Baston. Okay, this is my new account, that's why there's no much of good players. But this is my luckiest account because I had 4 legend packs at the start when I started, and in all of them I got all 4 legends. I got Rumenich, Cruyff, Oliver Kahn and Van Basten. So that's an excellent account. It's all the top player players. And then we have even got Elba in the Bayern Munich Legend Pack, and Rivaldo, I got him in the Legend Box Draw opening. So yeah, this is a very lucky account. So that's why I'm using this today to record. And let's see whether we can finish all 3 in one match. So we are gonna just be playing 3 matches, and let's see whether we can do it. Okay. Hector Bellerin in bad form. No right backs. Okay. Let's change our uniform. Okay. Change the team. Okay. So we're gonna be playing now. Let's see how good do we play with this second account. So I'm trying to get 50 subscribers by March of 5th. Let's see whether we can reach that. Okay, so let's play. Okay, first goal done. This is an easy level, so it's so easy to score goals in this level, but let's see if the other levels are getting harder. Okay, Rakitic, take this front, pass it to him, and then, oh, okay. Third goal was so easy, second goal was so easy. Okay. So my favorite player in PES right now is Karl-Heinz Rummenigge. I've been trying to get him in my main account, but it's so hard. I can't just get him. I was so lucky at 2020. I got so many lucky players, but in 2021, it's so unlucky. I don't know why. I'm getting all the bad players in my main account, but this account I'm getting all the good players like Rumenigge, Cruyff, Rivaldo, all those players. That's why I'm using this account today. So I'm gonna be playing in this account for a little while now. Let's see whether we can do it. Okay. Karl-Heinz Rummenigge is so easy to score with. If you have him in your team is unstoppable. Like even if you have full team of white balls, but Karl-Heinz Rummenigge, you're the one who oh, that was accident. You're the one who's going to have a team. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna show you how to do some skills also. Like wait, when I get the ball with Messi, I'll show you the double touch. It's super easy. Even the feint. Okay, wait. Messi get the ball. So now I'm going to show a double touch with Romanage. You saw that? That's how you do it. And then you just... It's so easy, it's called Romanage. You just do the double touch and you're done. It's just done. So my main targets to now try to get is going to be Ronaldo and Neymar. I have Mbappe, so I just need Ronaldo and Neymar in my team. They are the only people I need right now. Let's give it to Messi. I'll show you his double touch against the goal. Or the fake shot. Now fake shot. It's so easy. It's just so easy. You can go easily past the goalkeeper. To do the double touch, you just need to press on dash once and then put the left stick. Can you see this? On my left. Just put it front like this. And then you'll get it. See, I'll show you. Oh wait, it's a foul. Okay. So I'm gonna be trying to put some Among Us videos, but I don't have idea. If you have an idea to put a video about Among Us, just ask me in the comments. And whatever you want to know, I'll tell you. Okay. And that's done. And we're past the goalkeeper. It's so easy. It's so easy. The double touch will always work. And even my favorite YouTuber by playing Among Us is Soxo1. I'm giving him a shout out. Everyone subscribe to Soxo1, okay? That like everyone should subscribe because he is the best Among Us YouTuber I know. He's my favorite YouTuber. So subscribe to him. Let's see whether he might give me a shout out maybe. Okay, so let's see. Whenever I play Among Us, I always play like Soxo1. He's just too good. He's too good. No one can beat him. Okay. So my how to use Kel.net video has gone so much viral. So I'm just thinking, like, if you want me to do anything else in Kel.net, you can ask me in the comments, and I will do it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, if you enjoy this video, so like and subscribe, and yeah, just enjoy. I won't be uploading much videos because I have my exams coming up, and I don't think I will be able to do some videos, but I may be trying. So let's just see. Okay, Messi, Romanage, and let's go. If you want some commentary by Espanol one, whoever knows Spanish can listen to this. Can you hear the sound? Wait, I'll put it a little more higher. Wait, sound settings. Can you hear it now?
Y vuelven a iniciar la jugada desde atrás. Ocampos.
I'm actually English.
Tiene un disparo con el pie al balón.
Oh, the sound is too much. I'm actually English. I just put Spanish to see whether how the comment will be like. If you want to know, I'm from Sri Lanka. I know it's not a big country, but it's pretty good here.
La controla Toni Kroos. Vaya, con lo que podía haber cambiado la cosa. Vaya, Llega justo a tiempo para realizar el corte. Es muy arriesgado hacer eso cuando te superan en
Toni
número, pero
Kroos.
si no queda otra es la mejor
Right.
decisión.
And it's Romanage. If you have Romanage, it's just too easy. I'm just keep on scoring. The score is 11-0, so you might know how easy it is. And see, even if Romanage is out of energy, he still has energy to run.
Está claro que es el equipo más en forma y seguro que no tiene pensado bajar el ritmo ahora. Consigue imponer su físico y acaba ganando el balón. ¡Kroos!
What a goal that was. That was an excellent goal.
Pero qué golazo, qué pedazo de gol, impresionante, vaya golazo.
Okay.
Les están aplicando un castigo que roza la humillación. La verdad es que ni para nosotros es cómodo narrar un partido así, con tanta diferencia, porque es que un equipo se ve claramente humillado en el marcador. Es que van a salir de aquí, de verdad, con la moral muy tocada. ¡Messi!
What a goal. After this match, I'm gonna show you my own ID. If you want, you can friend. If you have PES 2021, you can friend me in PES. I don't care. So you can friend me in PES if you want. I'm just gonna give you my own ID. Okay. After this, watch until the end of the video, and I'll show you my own ID. Cruyff. Boateng. Cruyff on the run. A skill. And Cruyff. What a goal by Cruyff. Okay. What a goal. 14-0. Okay, I'll show in the next match. Okay, so I'm just gonna show my own ID right now. And if you want, you can friend me. You can friend me if you want. In PES 2021. And I'm just gonna show you. So my own ID. My own ID is gonna be... It's a little bit laggy for me. Like, there's a little bit of buffering for me. That's why. Extras. User information. User profile. See, this is my own ID. I'll show you for 10 seconds. Now if you want to friend me, you can friend me with this, and I'm just gonna I copied it. Okay, now let's go play the other matches. Okay, so we are in our second match, and our opponent is gonna be Vigo AB. I don't know who's that team, but let's be playing. So, any bad players in bad form? My left back. Okay, let's put Fabinho in. Okay, now I need left back and a center back. Boateng. Oh wait, I'm gonna do this and this. Okay, that's pretty good. Now let's play the next match. Okay, so let's go. We are playing in Konami Stadium. Cruyff, Romanage.
Así que las llamas de la expectación están a tope. Se ha hablado mucho durante las horas previas al encuentro sobre que no hay mejor manera de pasar una tarde.
Laporte, Kante, Romanage.
Teatro estupendo para coger las citas
Okay,
futbolísticas de mayor calibre.
that's foul. That's foul.
Por si acaban de volver,
Wait, isn't that
no
a
se
foul?
han perdido casi nada.
That's a. Oh my god. Why wasn't that a foul? Wait, what? I don't understand.
Puede intentarlo. Busca el disparo.
Mendy. Okay. Corner for the opponent. Let's go.
La juegan en corto. Envío hacia el área.
Olive Kahn is an excellent goalkeeper. If you get him, you're very lucky.
Resuelve bien y despeja.
Let's give it. Okay, get the ball. Get the ball.
Quiere jugarla rápido hacia adelante.
Tony Cruz, get the ball. Why am my players not defend? Okay. Now we're gonna give it to Romanage.
Cambia el juego a un compañero
Skill.
desmarcado.
Skill. Double touch.
Zafarse de la defensa.
Double touch.
Y vuelta a empezar.
Skill.
Gran
Double
jugada
touch.
personal.
Curve it. What a goal. Excellent goal. Excellent goal. Definitely need a celebration. That was an excellent goal.
Y marcan el primer gol.
Excellent.
Ha sido sensacional. Con qué naturalidad le ha pegado. Ha sido fantástico, ¿eh? Mucha gente se queja de la pelota reglamentaria que se utiliza hoy en día por lo impredecible.
Karl-Heinz Rummenigge.
Sabía perfectamente
Best player in the whole game.
qué dominio del esférico. Y se abre la lata. ¿Y quién abre el marcador otra vez? Pues el de siempre, el de siempre.
Oh, he pinned the goalkeeper. Oh, you just have to watch the replay. Definitely was. Oh, what a skill. What a skill by Romanage. You saw the elastico? That's why. Romanage is the best skiller in the game. You can't beat the, like, Romanage is too good. He's just too good. Nothing can't stop him. If he gets the ball, he'll score. It's 100%.
Más en forma y seguro que no tiene pensado bajar el ritmo ahora.
Oh, that's a foul.
Recibe ese contacto.
Okay. Let's go. So now we're gonna give it to Romanage. Oh, what a shot that one, but I don't know what happened there. Okay, let's give it to Romanage. Romanage. Romanage is too good. Yeah, I'm just keeping on complaining. I don't like. What do I say? It's just Romanage. Yeah, you can't do anything about it. Okay. Romanage. I told you he's so good.
Están en un claro momento de inspiración.
Okay.
Alguien pensaba que no iba a
Morella,
el
Romanage.
portero donde quería. Qué confianza en la finalización. Y con esto completa su hat-trick. Bueno, está haciendo un partidazo memorable, la verdad, impresionante. Es que sigue con su pugna personal contra la defensa. Y
Oh.
o sea, no tiene intención de rendirse.
It's okay.
Puede buscar el disparo.
Oh, nice shot, nice shot.
Una ocasión desperdiciada desde una muy buena posición. Hombre, se buscó bien la posición, para rematar, pero la verdad es que no lo hizo bien.
Okay. Now we're in the second half. Okay. We have scored 3, so we have already completed the challenge.
Pero ha sido una primera parte con mucha emoción. Grandes jugadas. El Barcelona está haciendo un gran partido, tanto en ataque como en defensa. Es que parece que no tiene
Messi.
bastante
Oh!
ojo,
Oh, what a goal that was! Did you see? Like, see the replay how he scored it. It was not even my goal. It was a goal by the opponent. Why the heck did that happen? See the like what? Oh my god, so silly. Okay, so we are just gonna
Aunque con una ligera dosis de suerte.
Romanage.
Nolito.
Kante.
Mete bien el pie y la roba.
Where is Romanage? Oh, he's over there. We're gonna pass it to him.
Pase es prometedor.
Double. Oh, that's a penalty.
Posición para
Wait, what? Ah, it's okay. I'm already leading by 4. Who cares?
Están protagonizando una lucha encarnizada. Llega la ocasión.
Romanage.
¡Clase! ¡Qué gol!
Yeah, he's just too good. He's too good. No one can beat him. That's fully true.
Festival de goles, aunque
Like, I would say that Romanage legend card is better than like I know it's just 95 rate at the max, but his legend card is excellent.
bajo control.
Like,
Los han dejado aturdidos, y empiezan a
it's too
parecerse
good.
una pisonadora.
It's just too good.
Espera,
His legend card is better than Messi's iconic moment card, even Ronaldo's iconic moments card. I would say even his legend card is better than any player in the whole game. What a goal that was. The most favorite player in this game, my most favorite player is gonna be Romanage, and my second is gonna be Messi, and my third is gonna be Neymar, cause I love Neymar's skills. His skills are so realistic. Like, whatever skill he does, it's like exactly what he does in actual matches. So some people don't know how to do the rainbow flick with Neymar, but you actually can do the rainbow flick in this game. But you gotta have like you have to do it perfectly. It's a very hard thing to do, but I don't have Neymar in this account, so I don't think I can show it. But at one video I will show, I guess. Okay, Tony Cruz. Okay.
Si te encuentras frente a la portería tienes que reaccionar mucho mejor, hombre. La finalización en el fútbol es muy importante, no ha sido buena.
Laporte, Madison, Romanage. What a double touch.
Se va hacia arriba. Supera la defensa y avanza.
Oh, double touch. What a goal. What a goal. I have a friend, and if you could subscribe to him also, I'll be happy. Subscribe to Sayesh Plays. His channel name is Sayesh Plays. I'll put a link below. You subscribe to that, okay?
Tiene hambre de gol y quiere ampliar la ventaja. Está siendo una pasada, vamos. Con este gol acabó ocasión clara. Los han
Ah, it's good spot.
regla.
8-0. Excellent.
Siguen ahondando en la herida. Bueno, no me está
Let's see how we play with the top player.
porque es que está el partido completamente
Romanage.
parece que los han dejado aturdidos, y empiezan a aparecer
Oh, he saw almost. It's okay. That was nice kill, by the way. That was a nice kill, but
el partido terminó. Hay muchos
okay. Let's go to our second match. Let's go to our third match. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys. So I gotta say something. I recently got injured. I fractured my hand and hip, but my hand is okay now. My hip is still paining. That's a thing, but I can still play with my hand. So I couldn't. That's why I wasn't putting any videos these days. I did a dumb thing. I like built a tree house. So I'm a kid, so that's what kids do sometimes. So I just built a tree house. I climbed it. Then I climbed it in the wrong way. So I fell on my back. I would have died that day. But good thing that I put my right hand behind my back. Or else I'm done for that day. But now I'm good, but nothing is wrong with me. So yeah, I can play now. Okay, so we're going to do that. Now everything's fine, like nothing is wrong with me, but just my hip, I can't run or do anything right now. Like I can play, like, but thing is, it just hurts a little sometimes, that's why. Well, let's go do now. Okay, let's change topic and go to playing. So this is our last match. I need to score 3 goals to finish the challenge. Let's see whether we can do it in one match. Okay, so Messi, Romanage, Messi, Romanage. Okay, Kante. Let's give Cruyff. Okay. It's a corner kick. Shall we try to score from the goal? No, it's okay. I'm just gonna do it like that. We're gonna give it to Cruz. Cross it and Messi. Romanage. He always scores, so I'm not surprised about that. Okay. Diego Carlos, the key. Let's go. I will do a face reveal, like when I get hundreds or 200 subscribers maybe. Let us see whether we can reach up to that. If I can, it will be amazing. I'll thank all my subscribers and viewers for that. Okay. Romanage. Oh, almost. Kante. Messi. Romanage. Yeah, I'm not surprised. I'm not. I'm actually not. Okay, we have to score another one more goal to complete the challenge. Let's see whether we can do it. After this, I'm gonna be doing a goal pack opening. Let's see whether we can get any good players. Romanage. Hey, what a skill. What a skill by Romanage and a goal. And the challenge is over. Shall I score more goals or what? Let's see. I'm gonna do small goals, yeah? Yeah. Let's see whether we can score some good goals. Messi. Oh, I went too much on the fake shot. That's why I lost the ball. Okay. Let's see. So, oh my God, what did he do there? Okay. Let's give it to Romanage. Romanage to Messi. Messi to Romanage. Cruyff. Romanage. Romanage. Oh. Okay. Nice kill. Oh, he missed it. Wait, how? He never misses. Oh, okay. Let's see whether we can score. How did he score that bad? Okay, let's just try to get the ball again. I don't know why Rakitic left Barcelona for Sevilla. That seemed a little bit not that good. But I don't know. Okay, so. Christ. Lionel Messi calls Heinz Rummenigge. Messi. Fabinho. Let's give it to Rummenigge. Oh, I went the wrong way. I tried to go inside, but I went outside accidentally. You gotta confuse all. If you're playing an online match, you have to confuse them by when they are attacking and it's open to goal to just run in through. What you do is bring out your goalkeeper. What they do is bring out your goalkeeper for a little while, then again bring them back. When they are thinking that when they see you that you're coming with your goalkeeper, what you do is the thing you do is bring him back again. When you bring him back, they'll go to shoot thinking that you will be coming fully until then. When they shoot, you can save it easily. That's how you have to. When they are in the attack, you have to block it. That's what I do every time. And if you're asking what to record with, if people ask me what to record with, I tell you to record videos with AZ Screen Recorder. It's a pretty good app. I use it all the time. Hey, isn't that a foul? I don't know. Okay, so I have not seen many goals. Let's just, oh my god. Okay, so let's just give it to Rummenigge. Rummenigge. That's 100% a foul. Okay, shall we try to score from here? I think we are able to score from here. We might be able to score from here. Well, shall we go with Messi or... Okay, I'm gonna just go from here, right? I'm gonna take Cruyff. Okay. I'm gonna try and shoot this in. Let's see where it goes. Oh, that almost went in. Like, was so close. Oh, I lost Rummenigge. He's injured. Oh, that's sad. That's extremely sad. Oh no, he's not injured. Oh yeah, he's 100% injured. If he couldn't score from there, it's 100% injured. He's 100% injured. Okay, after this game, I think it's the end of the video, and I'll just see. Rummenigge. What a goal. Even when he's injured, you can't stop him. He's just too good. I wish there were animatics where the animations where when people get injured, like there'll be a place where it's injured where they'll have like a something like a bandage or something like that in PES. I wish PES does an update like that. It'll be so good. That's why. Messi. Rummenigge. Oh no, it's okay. Messi. In my other main account, I have Lionel Messi, the iconic moment. So let's just see whether I'll be trying to play with that account. I don't know. I can't open it now. It's not letting me. So yeah. I don't use this account much, but sometimes I use it because I like to play with Rummenigge. I just want Like if I get Romanage in my main account, my main account is unstoppable. Because normally itself, if my main account is like that, if main account is that good, with Romanage it's gonna be excellent, like unstoppable, undefeated. Okay, so that's the last of the matches. We finished the challenge with 3 matches. So we are just gonna be opening the packs we got now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're gonna open these packs. I'm just gonna open the gold packs first. These are the players. I really want to get Neymar and Ronaldo. I just want them. Please just give it to me, please. Please. Please tell me it's Neymar. Please tell me it's a black ball at least. Or it's Spain. It could be Messi. Oh, it's okay. I'm just gonna keep skipping because I feel like I won't get any black ball from these packs. Giga. I don't know what's wrong. I have a lot of Wi-Fi. I don't know why it's happening. Wait, what? Wait, guys, I gotta see this. So, guys, we're back, and I think I fixed the Wi-Fi problem. Okay, so wait. We got. I'm just gonna open until 10 packs are left. Gerard Moreno. And we've got Lecomte. Van de Beek. Okay, that's a good player. Van de Beek. Costil. Matter. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe and on the notifications, and I'll see you next time. Bye.